This is what happens when you have dogs.
Well, hello there, everybody. Hi. So I've been taking care of my dog for the past couple days. I think it's been like a week since we've had him. And we changed his name, so his name's not Shadow anymore. It's Oreo. Oreo. I've been taking care of him mostly myself because I was the one who like bought the dog and everything, and my parents were like, you know, you bought the dog, so you gotta take care of him kind of thing. And I didn't really mind, but then I realized that I was treating everyone else around me like their dog. And then I got to thinking, what if we treated humans like dogs? It'd be a weird place, wouldn't it? Yeah, you peed! You peed! You peed! Yeah! You went peed! Hey, no! That's it, mister! That's it, mister!
Hey Jasmine, so did you see My Little Pony yesterday?
Hey! Hey! No barking. No barking. Oh, the baby doodle. Oh, the baby doodle. Mama. Ah, ba, 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 ba. Oh, you're so cute! Darling, come here. Oh, the baby doodle. Oh, the baby doodle. No! No kissing. No kissing. That's gross. That's gross. Ew! No kissing. No kissing. Ooh, gross. Ooh, gross. My stuffed animal! No! No! My gum! No! Bad! Bad! Who's ready for their walk? What? Oreo does whatever an Oreo does.
Can you eat him? Yes, you can. But if you do, he'll bite your face off.
Oh no! Here comes Oreo. Yeah! So no Oreos or Jasmines or Juguetes were harmed in the making of this video. Yeah, so Children's Aid and PETA, you don't have to like merge on my door because they're fine.
I had fun doing this.
They're fine. Please don't arrest me. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Give it a like, subscribe, and you can see more of my dog and the other dog who is like ran away right now because he hates us for having
because
fun with
I don't know. I was trying to like get him, but all he is obsessed with is a stupid ball. Like us.
Love me!